In this video, we will talk about what is trading and how you can generate wealth using trading. We'll explore the amazing story of how one person went from rags to riches using trading. We'll look at their journey, the strategies they used, and the lessons they learned along the way. Trading is a form of investing that involves buying and selling different types of financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies. It has been a popular way for people to make money for many years. Equity trading is the buying and selling of shares in publicly traded companies. It involves buying stocks in a company with the expectation that the stock price will rise, so you can sell it at a higher price than you bought it for and make a profit. Equity trading can be done on stock exchanges or through brokers. It requires knowledge of the market, an understanding of risk, and proper research before making any trades. Additionally, understanding how to manage your portfolio and using leverage to maximize your profits are important components of successful equity trading. The basics of trading. Trading is done on an exchange, and investors make profits by predicting the direction of the market and taking advantage of price movements. The first step in trading is to identify patterns in the market. You can use charts and technical indicators to help you spot trends and determine when to buy or sell. You should also do your research to ensure that you are making the right decisions. Once you have identified a pattern, you will need to stick to your system. This means that you should be consistent in your approach and follow the same rules when it comes to buying or selling. You should also monitor your positions closely to ensure that you are not at risk of losing money. Finally, it is important to remember that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes time to become successful. It is essential to have patience and develop a trading strategy that works for you. With discipline and dedication, you can turn trading into a profitable venture. Jessie Livermore is one of the most famous traders of all time, and he made his fortune trading stocks in the early 1900s. He was a self-made millionaire, starting with just a few $1,000s and working his way up to having a net worth of over $100 million. Livermore believed in being disciplined, never taking risks he couldn't afford to lose, and looking for patterns in the market. He famously said, "It was never my thinking that made the big money for me. It was always my sitting. Got that? My sitting tight." To make money through trading, Livermore would wait for an opportunity and then pounce on it quickly. He was not afraid to buy or sell when the situation demanded it. He was also known for his ability to cut losses quickly when things weren't going well. When trading stocks, Livermore would often look for the big move in the market, which is a rapid price change. He believed that if he bought stocks before a big move, he could make significant profits. He was also able to pick the best stocks to trade by looking at the fundamentals of companies, such as their balance sheets and earnings statements. He also believed in the power of diversification, investing in different markets, sectors, and stocks so he could spread his risk around and minimize potential losses. By doing this, he was able to make a lot of money while reducing his risk of losing it all. In summary, Jessie Livermore was able to make millions through trading due to his discipline and knowledge of the markets. He was able to spot opportunities quickly and take advantage of them, while also diversifying his investments. He is still remembered today as one of the greatest traders ever. What do you need to start trading? If you want to start trading and make a profit, there are several steps you need to take. Firstly, you need to do your research and learn about the market. Knowing the different strategies, methods, and trends that are currently prevalent in the trading world can help you make informed decisions when you decide to trade. Once you have a firm grasp on the basics of trading, you need to come up with a strategy of your own. This strategy should be tailored to your individual goals and risk tolerance. You should also make sure that your losses are low and your profits are high. This will help you to stay in the game and reach your financial goals. Finally, discipline is key when trading. You should stick to your strategy no matter what and resist the urge to deviate from it. To be successful in trading, you must commit to a set of rules and follow them without fail. This means that you should not let your emotions get the better of you when making trades and avoid getting into trades that don't fit your criteria. By taking the time to properly prepare yourself for trading, you can ensure that you have the best chance of success. This means learning about the market, developing your system and strategies, and remaining disciplined in your trades. With the right preparation, you can make money in trading and eventually become a millionaire like many others before you. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.